Evo Base Gel Application. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on a flat base layer application. Later in the tutorial, we'll move on to an upper arch application. Clean the Evo brush, removing the excess product from the shaft and bristles. The first step of the flat application is a gripping foundation. Using very little gel, tilt the brush to an 80-degree angle and apply firm pressure, pressing the product into the nail plate for better adhesion. Do not cure yet. The second step of the flat application is a smooth layer. Slide the brush down the free edge, offloading the remaining gel from the brush, and use overlapping strokes, applying the gel down the center of the nail, moving towards the left and right barrel sides. Cure all Evo base gels for 60 seconds. For a 4-layer overlay, we'll now continue with color. For a 5-layer overlay, we'll move to our upper arch application. After curing the flat application for 60 seconds, continue with the upper arch layer. The upper arch application is used for shape correction, dent and stress area reinforcement, strengthening, or to build an upper arch. The first step of the upper arch application is a smooth layer. Apply a smooth layer, tilting your brush to a 45-degree angle, using very little pressure. This will help the building layer self-level. Don't cure yet. The second step of the upper arch application is a building layer. Offload excess product from the Evo brush on the free edge. Then use the upper arch brush to pull the drop towards zone 2. Repeat upward and inward soft strokes on the left and the right to form the arch and apex. Allow to self-level. Cure for 60 seconds. This concludes the flat layer application and upper arch tutorial.